PRO-122T with swivel base is designed for industrial hole making and tapping applications. PRO-122T has a swivel base which makes it much easier to align the pilot pin or twist drill for accurate drilling to avoid off-center holes, especially when used upside down or sideways. Forward and reverse functions allow tapping of pre-drilled holes up to M30 by using the quick change tapping system by PRO-122T. Range of PRO-122T's tapping adapters with safety clutch enables blind hole tapping up to M30. Powerful variable speed motor enables milling capacity up to max 120 mm, 4 3/4 inch. The maximum depth of cut is as big as 100 mm, 4 inches. PRO-122T offers twist drilling capacity up to 31.75 mm, 1 1/4 inch. 4-speed gear and continuous speed adjustment help to set the optimal speed depending on diameter, material grade and tool quality in use. Innovative 360-degree visual monitoring system facilitates machine operation and increases work safety. 4-speed gearbox with continuous speed adjustment allows to set the optimal speed depending on diameter, steel grade or tool quality. Electronic Speed Stabilization System, ESSS, maintains stable speed regardless of load changes. Semi-automatic gib adjustment enables simple, fast, correct and repeatable slide backlash settings without any expert knowledge or experience. Magnetic Field Shape Control, MFSC, provides maximum holding power on thin materials. Energy Saving Base, ESB, uses only 50% of its power when motor is not running. Swivel base enables local displacement of the machine to facilitate precise hole positioning. PRO-122T features many advanced solutions including overload and overheat protection, tilt sensor that stops the motor if machine breaks away and worn brushes indicator. 360-degree visual monitoring system indicates current condition of the drill and gives safety and diagnostic information.